Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for Cash App fast and easy. So if Cash App feels confusing, here's the simple way. First of all, open the Cash App, and then after you open it, it'll ask you to enter your legal name. After you enter your name, go ahead and give them your date of birth, and then after you do everything, you can enter your phone number or email and then enter the code that they sent you. And after you fill up your name, your cash tag, and link a bank card if you want, set up a PIN for security. Make sure the PIN is a bit complicated so others won't have access to your data. Safety tip: only download the official Cash App from the App Store. Quick fix: if sign up freezes, restart the app, open your app, swipe it off from the bottom of your screen, and then swipe it away, then reopen it, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.